You got it.
Hum, ba-ba-la, hum.
Quick run, let's go.
You got it.
Swift, be swift.
Yeah, the plate effect. Oh, yeah. Why are the judges not up there?
Go, Brandon, you're right. Come on, buddy. Doing good. Be quick.
You got it. You guys doing great.
Good.
Good job, man.
Why didn't you?
Yeah, guys.
We can hit it too. I wouldn't be tall.
Should have been taller. That would have been a good idea.
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. That's Brian. Hey, Brian, you got a charger for this guy? Take it. We have to go as well.
Let's go, guys. Good work.
Go, Drew.
You got it, guys.
Oh. I just think I shot this, right?
Yeah. I'm assuming so.
Doing great.
Not yet.
Good job, guys.
Good work.
Good job, guys. Keep it up.
Good.
That's all good that is.
Nice.
Good hustle. Nice team.
Ooh, they are struggling over there. They got a bunch of bullets. Like, they keep falling out.
This is not proud of you.
This is going on YouTube. Don't be saying it. This is going on YouTube.
You got it, guys.
Let's talk about
Doing great.
Good work, guys. Put that bridge together.
Be swift.
Watch out, left leg. How they playing that?
Pushing that leg a lot, guys.
Yeah, watch the leg.
Yeah, watch leg.
Watch it.
Good catch.
Good catch.
Good catch. You're right.
You're right, buddy. You're good.
Wasn't a
Doing good.
issue at all.
They would have stopped. Keep an eye on the legs, guys.
Good work.
Watch the pier.
Watch the pair.
Good work. Hey, get the field lead. Nice.
Yeah.
There's a field.
Yeah. Good job, guys.
There you go. Now you go.
Come on.
It's like we practiced for a few weeks or something.
Yeah, I can't step past the line.
You can touch that.
Where he is now.
Whatever you can.
So you can't touch that.
You got it, guys. You got it. Keep going. Watch your legs. Watch your legs.
Watch the line, Ryan. Right the line.
Go to bridge.
Good work, guys. Good work.
Good job.
Watch your legs.
It's that close.
Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on the...
Careful.
Good. Nice work, guys. Just keep it steady. Nice work.
Good job.
Keep going, guys. You got it, guys. You got it.
Good job. Come on.
Watch your legs.
Go, guys. Good work, guys. Good work.
Right now. Watch that leg.
Be quick. Be quick. Go.
Watch that leg.
Be swift. Safely swift.
Nice work, guys.
You got it. You got it.
Keep going. Nice work. Nice work.
Just can't have fun and tap.
We're at 6:45 right now. Good job, You got it, guys. You got it.
Good job,
Great.
guys.
Keep it up.
Good work, guys. Good work.
You got it, guys. You got it.
Doing great.
Keep going, guys.
Work.
You got it, guys.
Good job, guys.
Kevin, you got it. You're good.
Doing good, Kevin.
Just keep breathing. There you go.
Good job, guys.
I think that's Kevin's talking.
Oh, careful there, bud.
One time we were doing with two people, we did like this right now.
There you go. There you
Yeah,
You got balance.
good job, guys.
go. Good work.
It's so let's put some decking on it, drive car across.
Look at you.
There you go, Brandon. There you go. You got it, guys. Keep it up.
There you go.
Look at that reach.
Good job, buddy.
What skill? Guys, got this.
You got it, guys. You got it.
Great.
That's 6.
Force a habit. It's having flashbacks.
Good work, guys.
Good job, guys.
We're doing good.
You got it, guys. Brandon.
Nice.
Keep breathing, guys. You got it, boys.
Work through.
Doing good, guys.
Doing good. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
There you go. You got it.
Good work.
Good job. That's what Tuesday yoga nights will do for you. Tuesday yoga. Careful there, bud. Good job, Brandon.
Yeah.
Stay nimble.
Look at that.
Stay nimble.
Oh, careful.
Nice.
Teamwork.
Look at that.
Yeah, get the reach.
That's what I think to see.
There you go.
He's like a cat. Oh, he missed the camera. Missed it. Come on, Sean.
Keep going, guys.
Good job, guys. Good job. You're doing good. You're doing good. Good up, guys.
Keep it up. Nice.
Keep it up, guys. You got it. You got it.
Here we go. Here we go. Doing good, guys. Doing good. Good time. Good time.
What's up, guys? Keep up. Good work, guys. Good
You
work.
got it, guys.
Tighten her up. Tighten her up.
Brandon, you gotta play with the tools.
Guys, you're doing great. Keep it up.
It doesn't have
Good job, guys.
But killing the British phone.
Yeah. Here we go, guys. Tighten them up. Tighten them up.
I'm getting nervous. Like, I can't even. Oh, yeah. Just like in anything, do you accomplish it?
You got it, guys.
Good job.
Keep going.
Tighten them
Good.
up, guys. Doing good.
Do you want to build a snowman? No, build a bridge.
Doing great.
Build a bridge in the classroom.
Come on, man.
Good work, guys. Good work.
Careful, careful. Right there, right there.
All right, keep it calm now, guys.
Good work, guys. Good work.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
You got it, guys.
Keep tagging. You're rocking it.
Doing good. You're doing good.
Keep up the talking.
Stay calm. Doing good.
You got it, you got it.
Good work. Good work.
No, they got it. Yep. That's the one.
You're great.
Doing good, guys.
That is Brandon.
You got it, guys. Keep going. You're almost done, guys.
That's doing great. Keep it up.
Stay focused. Do good, guys. Got good.
Keep it up, guys.
I'm doing great.
I was gonna say just at 20 like 2 minutes ago.
You got it, guys. You got it.
Good work, guys. Good work. Mine is like at 79. Like
Got it.
79.
Good job, guys.
You guys got this?
Keep up the good work.
You got it, guys. You got it.
You got it, guys. Keep it up. Here you go, guys.
You got it. You're almost done.
So close. Come on, guys. Check them. Check them all. Catch them all. Check. The pier's upside down.
Brandon, here's upside down.
Good job,
Doing good, guys. Check.
Tight.